Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is going to be on expanding to an additional compute cluster in a VCF management domain. Now, because I'm doing this through SDDC Manager, it has to be vSAN only. It's going to be image-based and vSAN ESA. With the import tool that Broadcom does have available, you can take existing environments with fiber channel storage, brownfield environments, and import that over into existing management domains. Not something I've tried or tested with, but please ensure to reference the documentation and do it in controlled environments, test environments. So what I have here is, we'll start off with my hosts that I have a group of 3 unassigned hosts with a data store type of vSAN ESA. I'm going to head over to my management domain, and I can, from a shortcut right here, just simply click Add Cluster. It's going to be a vSAN cluster. We're going to do ESA. It's all NVMe indies. And we'll give the cluster a name, and I'll try to make it follow. Now, this already is an existing image that I have in SDDC Manager under Image Management. And this was previously extracted with an image of U3E. And the component I have is the nested vSAN mock vib. It's going to be vSAN HCI. I'm going to select all 3 of my hosts. Now for the switch configuration, I'm going to just go with whatever's default. And then you'll see here, there's a VLAN ID that's mandatory. So we'll click Edit. And the one that's missing a VLAN ID is for my overlay traffic, my edge tap. And I know that's VLAN 70. So I'll go ahead and save changes. You have to acknowledge here. It's kind of one of those hidden messages that doesn't really stand out. I'm going to license later using the SDDC Manager, but for now. And then finally get to the review and then kick things off. Checking in on vSphere real quick, we can see that a cluster has been created, 3 hosts have been put in, and it is going through its creation of, in the configuration of these hosts. And we can see here our vSAN data store is created, and these hosts previously did have a iSCSI, well, they came in already with a iSCSI software adapter, and I had Synology, my data store mounted on these previously. So you can see that, hey, I can still do that and still have vSAN. If we come over on the NSX side, you can see that these hosts, one has already been prepped for NSX. So the VIBs have already been pushed out, and the other 2 are getting configured there. In ARIA operations, it already recognized the cluster object and then all the hosts underneath, and is going to begin ingesting analytics from it. And finally, ARIA operations for logs also quickly picked them up as soon as I integrated the vCenter. So that's how it's coming along, and this has probably been kicked off this task at 6:46 a.m. So moving along pretty good so far. And finally, this completes. It created the VM kernel adapters needed, completed my NSX overlay, and the next will be start putting some workloads on it. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe.